Hey, Patrick of KYGUNCO. Stop by this Friday and Saturday at our Louisville location to help us celebrate our official grand opening of our Louisville store. We have a lot of prizes we're giving away. We have a lot of specials. We have vendors coming in. And I thought I'd just go over just a quick second, tell you what's going on. To help us celebrate our grand opening this Friday and Saturday, we're going to be giving away over 50 guns over those 2 days. All you have to do is stop in and register. There's no purchase necessary, no cost to you whatsoever. But we are giving away 50 guns Friday and Saturday, and the only way to register is to stop in the store and register. We're also going to be doing some specials, and just to go over a couple of them that you guys need to know about, these are in-store specials only. For the most part, you cannot find them at our other locations or online. You have to stop in our Louisville location. We have a 1911 A1 service model from SDS. We have it on special for $295.97. This gun is normally $400 plus. We have ample supply of them. They are in 45 ACP. We will not run out. We also have a special on a shotgun. We have them in two calibers actually, or two gauges, a 12 gauge and a 20 gauge. This is the MXP shotgun, pump shotgun, $124.32. If you're looking for an AR-15, we have the Anderson AM-15. This has the Bravo Company handguard. This is nicely dressed out. It has a 16-inch barrel, collapsible stock. This is not a dressed down AR-15. This has all the bells and whistles for sub $400, $394.39. You cannot go wrong if you're looking for an AR-15. And check out the Springfield Hellcat. It comes with 3 additional free mags and a free range bag for $519.99. And we have a small batch. We have about 50 of these available, but we have them here at this Louisville location and only at the Louisville location. This is the Taurus 856. These are factory blims. They have a little small factory blim on them. $239.99. These guns are almost $400 normally new. This is a factory new gun. It has a factory new warranty on it. It just doesn't have a finish warranty on it. If you're into archery, we have some specials on our Matthews and Hoyt and Bowtech flagship bows. There's a free gift card with the purchase of any of those bows. And we also have a Boss crossbow special with a free crank. The free crank's normally $150 by itself. The crossbow with the crank, $299.99. As we also mentioned, we're giving away 50-some guns for free, and we also have many of our vendors and many of our factory reps going to be on hand for Friday and Saturday to answer any of your questions and talk about any of the guns that you guys want to talk about. So come on out August 19th and 20th. Help us celebrate the grand opening of our Louisville location at 2301 Nelson Miller Parkway. We hope to see you there.